What if a single glass of lemon water each morning could transform your health in just 30 days? It's not just about hydration. There are hidden benefits that can impact everything from your digestion to your skin. Curious about what happens when you make lemon water your daily ritual? Let's dive into the surprising changes you'll experience after a month. Boosts hydration. Picture this. You're like a plant in the morning. Just like a plant needs water to stand tall and thrive, your body craves hydration after hours of rest. Now, when you add lemon to your water, it's like giving that plant not just water, but a little extra sunlight and nutrients. Lemons are packed with electrolytes like potassium and magnesium, which help your body absorb water better. So, after a month of drinking lemon water, you'll feel more refreshed and energized throughout the day, like you've had a mini upgrade. Aids digestion. Imagine your digestive system as a car engine. It needs the right fuel to run smoothly. When you drink lemon water first thing in the morning, it acts like a gentle push to get everything moving. Lemons help stimulate your stomach to produce digestive juices, making it easier for your body to break down food throughout the day. Over time, this can help with bloating and discomfort, leaving you feeling lighter after meals. Think of it like this. Ever notice how squeezing lemon on your food makes it taste fresher? Well, it's also working behind the scenes to make digestion smoother, improves skin health. We've all heard the phrase, "you are what you eat," but in this case, you are also what you drink. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that does wonders for your skin. So, what happens after a month of drinking lemon water? Your skin begins to reflect all that goodness happening on the inside. Vitamin C helps your body produce collagen, the protein that keeps your skin firm and youthful. Think of it like the scaffolding that holds up your skin, preventing wrinkles and sagging. Over time, the regular intake of this vitamin fights off free radicals, those pesky molecules that cause skin damage from pollution, stress, and sun exposure. This means fewer breakouts, reduced inflammation, and an overall brighter complexion. To put it simply, after a few weeks, you might notice that your skin feels smoother, looks clearer, and maybe even has that natural glow that's been missing. It's like hitting the reset button for your skin from the inside out. Example. Imagine yourself walking into the bathroom one morning and noticing your reflection. Your skin looks clearer. The usual puffiness is gone, and there's this natural radiance that wasn't there a month ago. That's the power of consistent vitamin C in your daily routine. Supports detoxification. Your body has its own natural detox system, and the liver is the star player in this process. But just like any machine, it sometimes needs a little help to work at its best. That's where lemon water comes in. After a month of drinking it daily, your liver gets a boost in producing enzymes that help flush out toxins more efficiently. Think of your liver like a busy worker sorting through all the junk in your body. Lemon water acts like a helpful assistant, making that process smoother and faster. This means toxins are processed and removed more effectively, leaving your body feeling cleaner and more energized. Over time, this regular detox can improve how you feel overall, more alert, less sluggish, and even lighter. Some people describe it as feeling refreshed from the inside out. And no, this isn't one of those extreme detox fads. It's simply giving your body a natural nudge to do what it's already designed to do. Example. Imagine decluttering your home. You're sorting through old boxes, getting rid of things you don't need. It feels good, right? That's similar to what your liver is doing with toxins. And lemon water is like the organizational tool that helps make it all easier. May assist with weight loss. Let's talk about one of the most popular claims, weight loss. Now, lemon water isn't a magic potion that will melt away fat overnight, but it can certainly support your journey. Here's how it works. Lemons contain pectin fiber, which helps you feel fuller for longer. When you start your day with a glass of lemon water, it may curb your appetite and reduce cravings throughout the morning. This means you're less likely to reach for unhealthy snacks or overeat at breakfast. But that's not all. Lemon water slightly boosts your metabolism, especially when combined with warm water. This helps your body burn calories a bit more efficiently. It's like adding a little fuel to your metabolism's fire first thing in the morning. Over time, this can make a subtle but noticeable difference, especially when paired with a balanced diet and regular exercise. Example: think of lemon water as that tiny push you need to stay on track with your weight loss goals. It's not going to do the work for you, but it's like a helpful teammate that keeps you feeling full and energized. Strengthens your immune system. We all want to stay healthy, right? Lemon water is like a secret weapon for your immune system. It's packed with vitamin C, which plays a key role in boosting your body's defenses. After a month of daily lemon water, you're essentially giving your immune system a steady stream of fuel to fight off colds, flu, and other infections. Here's how it works. Vitamin C enhances the production of white blood cells, which are your body's frontline soldiers against bacteria and viruses. The more vitamin C you're getting, the better prepared your immune system is to tackle whatever comes your way. So, after a few weeks of drinking lemon water every morning, you may find yourself getting sick less often, or at least recovering faster when you do catch something. Example: think of your immune system like a fortress, and vitamin C is the reinforcement that strengthens those walls. Over time, that fortress becomes stronger, more resilient, and ready to handle any invaders that come its way. Alkalizes your body. Here's an interesting fact. Even though lemons are acidic, they have an alkalizing effect on your body once they're metabolized. It sounds complicated, but let's simplify it. Your body operates best when it's in a balanced, slightly alkaline state. This helps reduce inflammation and supports better overall health. Over time, drinking lemon water daily helps maintain that balance. So, even though lemons taste sour, they can actually help neutralize excess acidity in your system. Why does this matter? Well, an overly acidic body is often linked to inflammation, which can lead to various health issues. By keeping your body more alkaline, you're creating an environment where it can function at its best, and you're less likely to experience inflammation-related problems. Example: picture your body as a finely tuned instrument. If it's too acidic, it's like being out of tune, making it harder to perform. Lemon water acts like a gentle tuning tool, bringing everything back into balance, so your body can run more smoothly. Freshens your breath. Lemon water doesn't just work wonders on the inside, it can also give you fresher breath. Lemons have natural antibacterial properties, which help combat the bacteria in your mouth that cause bad breath. After a month of drinking lemon water, especially first thing in the morning, you'll likely notice that your breath feels fresher and cleaner throughout the day. Lemon water also helps stimulate saliva production. Why is this important? Saliva acts as a natural defense against dry mouth, which can lead to bad breath. By keeping your mouth hydrated, you're not just freshening your breath, but also supporting your overall oral health. Example: think of it like this. After drinking lemon water in the morning, it's like having a mini mouthwash session without the harsh chemicals. You'll start your day with a clean, refreshing feeling that lasts. So, what happens if you drink lemon water every morning for a month? You'll likely notice improvements in your hydration, digestion, skin health, and even your energy levels. Your immune system will get stronger, and you might feel lighter and more refreshed thanks to your body's natural detoxification. Add in the potential weight loss benefits, the boost to your metabolism, and the fresher breath, and you've got a small habit that packs a big punch. But remember, moderation is key. Lemons are acidic, and while they offer plenty of benefits, too much can wear down tooth enamel. To protect your teeth, consider drinking lemon water through a straw and rinsing your mouth afterward. Now it's your turn. Have you tried drinking lemon water every day? What changes did you notice? Share your experience in the comments below, and let's keep the conversation going. Bonus tip: if you want to get even more out of your lemon water, try adding a pinch of turmeric or a dash of honey for an extra health boost.